Super speedy division, 292 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud squad for more awesome math fun. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 292. We're going to use the first digit, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it just once. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Easy peasy. You're doing fantastic, keep that awesome energy going. We've got a remainder of 0, let's move on to the next digit. Next up, let's bring down the 9, we're working with 9 now. We bring down the next digit 9 to join our remainder. How many times does our divisor 2 go into 9? Think about your 2's times tables, it's 4. Let's see, 4 times 2 equals 8. Time to subtract, 9 minus 8 leaves us with 1. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. We have a remainder of 1, let's bring down the last digit. Last but not least, let's bring down the 2, now we have 12. We combine our remainder 1 with the digit 2 to make 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? Shout it out, it's 6. Let's check our work, 6 times 2 is indeed 12. Subtracting 12 from 12 gives us 0, perfect. You did it, that's amazing, high five. We have no remainder left, our division is all done. And the grand total is 146. Great job, everyone, we just tackled 292 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is a chance to train your amazing brain. That's all for today, Math Stars. Keep practicing and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.